I see you're smiling. Is there a new pump?
Yeah, there is a new pump. Them so-called people at APS are at it again.
I mean the same ones that delivered the catastrophe of an investment that TAGG turned out to be, right?
Yeah, the same ones.
So what is it this time?
It's actually hard to even start talking about this mess. It's Superior Venture Corp, ticker symbol SVEN or SVEN. Supposedly, the company operates through a wholly owned subsidiary called Illustrato Pictures Limited. They claim that it will be or is involved in the development of movies to be financed and distributed in China and internationally.
Right, and just for the sake of argument, if we suppose that this could be a success, can you tell me what's wrong with it?
Well, for starters, SVEN is actually the result of a reverse merger between two companies that have combined about $9,000 in assets, zero revenues, and about $806,000 in liabilities. And at yesterday's close, the market cap of this thing is $123 million.
Sounds legit. Not.
Yeah, and it gets better. If you take a look at the last email that APS sent, you will find 5 of the most outrageously funny reasons one could make up to just make the claim that a stock could get to $1 per share. And by the way, if it does go to $1 per share, the market cap will go up to $392 million.
Looking at the actual reasons mentioned, reason number 1 is, and I quote, Superior Venture Corp operates in the China movie market, the fastest growing movie business in the world. And just because you claim to operate in a hot sector is an instant guarantee for success, right?
Yeah, right. Reason 2 is not better in any way. The company is led by a Harry Sutherland who's been involved in the movie industry since the early 70s and spent the last 5 years developing SVEN's business and creating partnerships in China. Actually, it's really funny because SVEN didn't really have anything to do with movies before the acquisition of Illustrato Pictures. And Illustrato Pictures itself wasn't formed until August 29th last year. So why would you spend 5 years forming relationships for a company that doesn't even exist at the time?
Great. Looking at reason number 3, the bumpers actually compare SVEN, and I quote again, to DreamWorks Pictures and Lion Gates. Even if they got the names right, this would still mean actually the same thing as comparing the idea or the plan of a hot dog stand to something like Burger King or McDonald's, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm actually torn between number 4 and number 5. Number 4 is actually saying that SVEN's technical indicators are very bullish. And number 5 is some made-up rumor that SVEN could be working with Jackie Chan, Jet Li, and Chow Yun-fat. Because as we all know, superstars are just lining up to work with wannabe directors who have about $9,000 to their names.
Right. I think I would still go for number 4 because I don't know how you could even begin to think about technical indicators, seeing how the company has seen exactly 2 days of trading.
Yeah, but there is a sad part to this, and the sad part is that this could actually run for a while before crashing spectacularly, as all the rest of the APS pump jobs have.
Or, alternatively, it could be another VLNX, and it could crash today, so no way to know, but for sure some people are going to get burnt on this one.
Yeah, try not to be one of those people. There is one thing which may have actually saved some people some money. Apparently, a lot of brokerages don't even allow trading with SVEN stock. So just be careful, stay safe, and happy trading.
Hello, this is Brian Fisher. I'm the publisher of Hotstocked.com. You probably landed on this page because you're looking for more information on a particular stock. What you may not know is that this stock is making a chart pattern which has already been seen in the market thousands of times. So if you were able to look up all of the previous times this happened and count how many stocks went up or down after the signal, you would know the probability of this stock. I provided a link to a free piece of software that you can download that will tell you just that. If you're thinking about trading this stock, you may be walking into a situation where the odds are 80% that it will fail, or maybe the odds are 80% that it will go up sharply. Isn't that something that you should know? With one click, you can look up any stock and get the probability. In addition to the chart probability, you can see the earnings trend, the trends in revenue, a consensus of all analyst estimates on Wall Street, and the average price target. If you want more information, you can use the software to get a complete research report on the company. Okay, so this is great for looking up one stock, but what if you want to know which stocks today have the highest probability to increase? That is the big idea behind Hotstocked Precision. This software scans the charts of every single stock on the market every day. You can sort by which stocks have just made signals with the highest probability to make huge moves up or down in the next few days. If you're looking for something more specific, you can see the highest probability penny stocks, the best from Wall Street research, or the best short sale candidates. Our software has already been downloaded by over 200,000 people. We've had reports from users making from $500 a day to over $75,000 a month using this program. Once you have tried it, you're never going to want to trade again without it. But I don't want you to take my word for it, or the word of the thousands of users that have already made great reviews. I want you to try it for yourself, absolutely free. So go ahead and click on the download link. Follow the simple instructions to get your free copy today.